Many YouTubers today become millionaires, but they will soon be billionaires. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that has everyone buzzing. In recent years, we've witnessed the incredible rise of content creators who have transformed their passion into thriving businesses. So let's explore the reasons behind this phenomenon and take a glimpse into the future of YouTube's superstars. To understand how YouTubers will become billionaires, we must first acknowledge the power of the platform itself. YouTube has grown into a global phenomenon, with billions of users and an insatiable appetite for content. As the platform continues to evolve and innovate, opportunities for content creators to monetize their videos are expanding rapidly. One significant factor driving the future billion-dollar status of YouTubers is the diversification of revenue streams. Gone are the days when ad revenue was the sole income source for creators. Today, successful YouTubers leverage multiple avenues to generate substantial income. Collaborations with brands for sponsored content have become increasingly common. Companies recognize the value of reaching a target audience through influential content creators. Brands are willing to invest significant sums of money to partner with YouTubers who can authentically promote their products or services to their loyal fan base. These collaborations not only provide creators with financial compensation, but also open the doors to exciting opportunities and cross-promotion. Additionally, many YouTubers have tapped into the potential of merchandise sales. With the ability to create and sell their own branded products, content creators can establish a direct connection with their audience. This not only serves as a revenue stream, but also strengthens the bond between the creator and their fans. Another avenue that content creators are exploring is hosting live events. From meet and greets to live performances and workshops, these events provide an intimate and immersive experience for fans. The demand for such experiences is growing rapidly, and YouTubers are capitalizing on this by organizing their own events or participating in conventions and gatherings. The revenue generated from ticket sales, merchandise, and sponsorship deals can be substantial, contributing to their path towards billionaire status. In recent years, online courses and educational content have gained immense popularity. YouTubers who are experts in their fields have found success by offering online courses, workshops, and tutorials. Their knowledge and expertise are highly sought after by their audience, who are willing to pay for exclusive access to valuable insights. These courses not only provide creators with a steady income, but also establish them as authorities in their respective industries. Beyond sponsored content, merchandise, live events, and educational offerings, YouTubers are also securing book deals. With their massive online following, creators have a built-in audience ready to consume their written works. From memoirs to self-help books and niche-specific guides, these publications have the potential to become bestsellers, further bolstering the creator's financial success. Influencer marketing has become an integral part of advertising strategies worldwide. Brands have recognized the power of authentic endorsements from popular content creators. YouTubers with large and engaged audiences are highly sought after by companies looking to reach their target demographics. This trend is only going to intensify in the coming years, as influencer marketing continues to prove its effectiveness. The potential financial rewards for YouTubers who can leverage their influence are staggering, further propelling them towards the billionaire status. One crucial aspect of the future billionaire status of YouTubers is their ability to build loyal and engaged communities. Content creators who can connect with their audience on a deep level have a distinct advantage. These dedicated fans not only consume their content, but actively support them through memberships, crowdfunding, and fan donations. YouTube's membership feature allows creators to offer exclusive perks, such as early access to content, behind-the-scenes footage, and special badges or emojis in the comments section. By becoming a member, fans feel a sense of belonging and gain access to exclusive content, while creators receive a recurring monthly income from their loyal supporters. This steady revenue stream can significantly contribute to their journey towards billionaire status. Crowdfunding platforms have also played a vital role in the financial success of YouTubers. Creators can launch crowdfunding campaigns to fund ambitious projects, such as creating high-quality videos, starting their own production companies, or even opening physical stores or studios. The generosity of their fans can help turn these dreams into reality, while also showcasing the immense support and dedication of their community. Furthermore, fan donations have become increasingly common. Platforms like Patreon and Ko-Fi enable fans to contribute directly to their favorite creators, either through one-time donations or recurring payments. These donations can vary in size, but the collective support from a dedicated fan base can add up to substantial amounts, further fueling the growth and prosperity of YouTubers. Moreover, the rise of technological advancements plays a pivotal role in propelling YouTubers towards billionaire status. With the emergence of virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and immersive experiences, content creators can offer their audience unique and captivating content. VR allows viewers to immerse themselves in a virtual world, where they can interact with the creator's content in ways never before possible. AR enhances the real-world environment by overlaying digital information, creating interactive and engaging experiences. These cutting-edge technologies not only enhance the viewing experience, but also attract new viewers, leading to increased revenue opportunities. The potential for YouTubers to expand their reach and monetize their content globally cannot be understated. YouTube's international audience presents creators with an opportunity to tap into markets beyond their home countries. By reaching a diverse and global audience, creators can attract brand partnerships, sponsorships, and collaborations from various regions, further diversifying their income streams. Furthermore, the advent of YouTube Premium has opened up new avenues for creators to earn revenue. With YouTube Premium, viewers can enjoy an ad-free experience while directly supporting their favorite creators. A portion of the subscription fees paid by YouTube Premium users is distributed to creators based on watch time and engagement. This additional income stream provides creators with a consistent revenue source and incentivizes them to produce high-quality content. The future of YouTubers as billionaires also relies on their ability to adapt and evolve with changing trends and audience preferences. The landscape of YouTube is ever-evolving, and creators must stay ahead of the curve to maintain their success. They need to be aware of emerging content formats, technological advancements, and shifts in audience behavior. By staying relevant and continuously innovating, YouTubers can position themselves as industry leaders and seize new opportunities as they arise. Additionally, the growth of YouTube as a platform has led to the emergence of talent agencies and management companies dedicated to representing YouTubers. These agencies offer strategic guidance, negotiate brand deals and contracts, and provide support in various aspects of their careers. With professional representation, creators can focus on creating content, while their business and financial affairs are managed effectively, maximizing their earning potential. The future looks incredibly bright for YouTubers on their path to becoming billionaires. The combination of YouTube's expansive reach, diversification of revenue streams, influencer marketing, community engagement, technological advancements, and global opportunities creates the perfect storm for massive financial success. So, if you're a budding content creator, keep honing your skills, connecting with your audience, and embracing the ever-evolving landscape of YouTube, because the future Billionaire Club may be just a few viral videos away. However, it's essential to note that reaching billionaire status as a YouTuber is not guaranteed for everyone. The road to success requires consistent hard work, perseverance, and a deep understanding of one's audience. Building a sustainable and thriving career on YouTube takes time, effort, and a relentless passion for creating valuable and engaging content. It's crucial for aspiring YouTubers to remember that success is not solely measured by financial wealth. While the prospect of becoming a billionaire may be exciting, true fulfillment comes from creating meaningful connections with your audience, making a positive impact, and pursuing your passions wholeheartedly. Money can provide opportunities, but it should not be the sole driving force behind your content creation journey. Furthermore, the landscape of YouTube is dynamic and ever-changing. New platforms and technologies may emerge, altering the digital landscape and reshaping the way creators monetize their content. It's vital for YouTubers to stay adaptable and open-minded, embracing innovation and seizing new opportunities as they arise. As we look ahead to the future, we can't predict with certainty the exact timeline or specifics of YouTubers becoming billionaires. However, one thing is clear: the potential for financial success is greater than ever before. With the right mix of talent, business acumen, and a genuine connection with their audience, YouTubers have a unique opportunity to build extraordinary careers and amass considerable wealth. So, if you're a content creator with dreams of reaching the upper echelons of success, Continue to hone your craft, nurture your community, and stay committed to delivering valuable and engaging content. Embrace the ever-evolving landscape of YouTube, and who knows, you might just find yourself among the ranks of the YouTube billionaires in the not-too-distant future. That's all for today's video. If you found this information insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow content creators. And as always, thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration of the future of YouTubers as billionaires. Stay inspired, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video.